Alright. Me smoking the Smarties and Pibble staring at me weird. You see that? Oh my gosh. That really got to me. My throat. Are you crying, man? You want some of this? You're gonna have to go to the store and buy yourself some.
Tanya's not showing him.
Jersey. Stop. Man, I'm wasting it. Man, what the heck? I need to smash it more. Oh my gosh. Dogs these days. So funny. Alright. Smash some stupid crap. Sounds kind of wrong. I have a nasty memory. Let's see if it's good now. Again, my smoke and the dog staring. Shoo. Oh crap. Ooh. Well, say bye to Jersey. He's a really great Pibble. You might be like, Pibble, he's scary and ugly. But he's really awesome. He is awesome, man. Right? Dame la mano. See that? He's loyal, dog. No, don't eat my candy. He tried to grab it. Did you see that? He put his paw. He was like, it's mine. It's mine. Dame la mano again. Jersey, dame la mano. Did you see that? He gave me his hand. Well, say bye to Jersey. Bye.